Good morning. And, huh? A blank screen? How is a blank screen going to help anybody? You pull back the screen and what do you see? Good. I heard somebody say Taipei. Yes, and Taipei is one thing we're going to talk about today. Boys and girls, today's class is focusing on a mind map. And our topic is Taiwan. Beautiful Taiwan. You can see there the flag, the words, and ding, ding, ding. Ready, set, go. Okay, guys, as usual, what do you need for today's class? Let's have a look. Number one, please read for me. 3, 2, 1. Yes, your module book. You can see there the page is number 5 and there is a picture of Taiwan. What else do we need? Ding, 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 a pencil and an eraser. So guys, if you don't have your module book, a pencil or an eraser, please go and get one now. We'll get these items now so we can do today's class. And we pull back the curtains onto page number 5. Guys, open your books, turn to page number 5. This is what you should see. You can see a picture of Taiwan. You can see the flag that Taiwan uses and some other words on the page. So, look at that. Can anybody read that word where the red arrow went? Look, let Mr. Pan show you. This is quite interesting. Here it says Taiwan. Here it says Tai. Here it says Tai. So 1, 2, and 3. What do you think number 1 over here is? Did I hear somebody say Taipei? Very good. Yes, it is Taipei. Okay, this is at the top of Taiwan. You can see there a picture of Taipei City. Taipei City has many, many, many buildings, and the tallest building, of course, is over here. This is the famous Taipei 101. I'm sure many of you have been to Taipei 101, right? All right, let Mr. Pan erase that little mark because we don't need that later. And let's continue. Whoa, what's that? That's Taipei? Yes, it is Yangming Mountain. Chinese, you say Yangming San. And in the morning, you can climb to the top of Yangming San and see a beautiful sunrise. Yes, that is just outside Taipei downtown. Another thing that you can see in Taipei is the Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall. It's a beautiful, beautiful building in the middle of Taipei that many people like to visit. And, wow, Mr. Pan, what is that? I see water and I see a bridge. This is in a place called Danshui. Danshui is to the west of Taipei City. And it's a beautiful place where you can walk and buy food and see beautiful things. So there you go, guys. Welcome to Taipei. Okay, Taipei is a lovely place. Anybody can read number 2? Good. Yes, this is where we live. This is Taichung. Taichung is in the middle of Taiwan. That's why we say Taichung. Okay. So what can we see in Taichung? Yes, I know many of you have been to this place before. This is the National Opera House. It is in downtown Taichung, and people go there to watch shows, maybe for singing or for art or performance. It's a very beautiful, interesting building. What else can we see in Taichung? Wow, look at that, guys. Have any of you been there? That is Taichung Park, okay? It's a place where families go, where you can play, you can ride a boat on the water, and you can enjoy your Saturday or Sunday. It's also very near the train station. So people going to Taichung and other places like to enjoy Taichung Park. The last place that Mr. Pan has put down for Taichung today is woohoo! Yes, all of you know this. It is the Luce Chapel. And this is on the campus of Donghai University. Okay, very, very beautiful chapel. Big, beautiful grassy spaces around it. So people can have fun, they can play, and they can enjoy the beauty of Taichung. So everybody is going to write down Taichung in the middle of Taiwan. The third one, it's a funny word. It looks like K-A-O, cow, cow. But in English, we don't say it, we say gao. And the final word is xiong, Kaohsiung. This is a southern city in Taiwan. Now, Mr. Pan, what's that? This is one of Taiwan's tallest buildings. I think it's the second tallest building. It's called the Kaohsiung 85. Okay, very, very tall building. It used to be the tallest building in Taiwan before Taipei 101. Also, this is a view of Kaohsiung from Monkey Mountain, also known as Shousan. You can climb to the top and you can see buildings, you can see the ocean, you can see boats. It's a very, very beautiful view, but probably very hot because Kaohsiung is a hot place. And last, Mr. Pan wants to show you the beach that Kaohsiung has. Kaohsiung has a seaside city. So in some places you can see beaches and you can go to the beach, you can swim and have fun. So really, really, really nice city to enjoy. All right, guys, so you can see Taipei, Taichung, and Kaohsiung. So from here, we're going to go down page number 5. Because today's class is focusing on writing. We're going to focus on the questions. Today there are 2 questions that you need to answer. The first one, where do you live? The answer, I live in... What happened? Mr. Pan, you did that to trick us. Well, yes and no. Because we have many answers to this question. Where do you live? I live in... Whoa! There are many answers there, hey? Let's see, guys. So, you can say I live in Taichung. You can also say I live in Shalu. I live in Dajia. I live in Changhua. I live in Longjing. I live in Taipei. So I think all of us live in Taichung or near Taichung. But if you would like to write the area or the neighborhood where you live, you can do so now. So one more time, I live in Taichung. I live in Shalu. I live in Dajia. I live in Changhua. I live in Longjing. I live in Taipei. Guys, you can choose one of these and write down where you live. So Mr. Pan is now going to continue. If you need some time, ding, pause the video, write down the name of the place where you live, and then ding, unpause the video and continue. All right, guys, like Mr. Pan says, write your answer. For the students that are finished, we are now going to go on to the next part. We are going to go to the bottom of page number 5. Now, what do we see? Whoa! There are some places in Taichung. Okay, Taipei City, Donghai University, Libao Land, National Science Museum, and Fengjia Night Market. Whoa! Look at that, guys. 5 names: Taipei City, Donghai University, Libao Land, National Science Museum, Fengjia Night Market. And here there are 5 pictures. Picture number 1 is over here. Ding! That is Tiger City. Tiger City, you can do shopping, you can watch movies, many things. Number 2, Donghai University. Yes, this is where you guys go to school. Okay? Big, beautiful school full of green, trees, and other wonderful things. Number 3 is Libao Land. Libao Leyuan. I know you love this place because you can go there, you can play, you can go on many rides, you can eat yummy food, you can see cool things. Number 4, the National Science Museum. I like the National Science Museum because it has moving dinosaurs, and I'm sure you like it too. Not only for the moving dinosaurs, but because there are many, many wonderful, interesting things to see. And the last one is Fengjia Night Market. At night, you go to Fengjia Night Market to buy delicious food, to buy clothes, and other things. Okay? Lots and lots of people at Fengjia Night Market, so it's always very exciting. Now, I want you guys to write, where do you like to go? You need to choose 2 places. Maybe you can choose Tiger City. Maybe you can choose Donghai University. Maybe you can choose Libao Land. Maybe you can choose the Dinosaur Museum or Fengjia Night Market. I want you guys to write down 2. Okay? So, it says again, wait, let me find this. Where do you like to go? I like to go to... Ding! Please choose and write down the name of one place. Ding! Please choose and write down the name of another place. Okay? So take the words Tiger City, Donghai University, Libao Land, National Science Museum, Fengjia Night Market, and write 2 of them in the open spaces. If you want to write a different place, you can write it down either in English, or if you can write it in English, you can try write it in Chinese. Okay, guys, this is part 1 of this week's writing. So not too difficult, quite quick and easy, but this will get us ready for page number 6, which we will do later in the week. Okay, guys, so good job. Thank you very much. I hope that this was fun, that you learned something. And have a nice day, and we will see each other again soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.